Hello there. Collecting is an investment. Yes, it is an investment and it is good for the soul. So these are some of the things that I like to do, sharing it with you. So enjoy the video. Mahilig din ba kayo sa mga collecting mga pieces of jewelry? Like gold jewelries, yellow gold, white gold, or anything like that, like this. So, in this video, I'm going to share to you guys kung ano yung mga favorite collection ko. Some of them. Here, I never done this before, but I just want to show you what I collect. I buy it in what I like it. Yeah, and if I see something that I want to buy and it's a little bit pricey, I will come back. I will save up some money and come back for it. So anyway, papakita ko sa inyo yung sa ano yung mga pieces nandito sa akin. Ayan, like this piece. Tory Burch. Very cool. It's just like an accent gold with black. This is the funny thing is I don't even wear it. I just collect them. Because I'm attached to Pandora's. I'm more on Pandora's. All this Pandora's collection. But this is one of my favorite one that, as I said, I don't even wear. So, it's very cool. You can wear it with dress, you can wear it casually, you can wear it with black dresses. So whatever you do, you can wear those things. So that's one of the items that I have. And I have also this. So this is from India. Oops. I have two of them. They are like partners. See all those stone rocks, emerald, Arani, diamonds. See, it's pretty kind of heavy, but as I said, this is a, as you can see, the color, it's more like the gold. It's a little bit different color, right? It's more, you know, like the Indian gold is different. So this is one of those collections that I have from there. Hindi na lang natin sabihin kung magkano, basta yan. Ito yung pinapakita ko sa inyo ay yung mga bracelet ko. So as I said, di ko masyado ginagamit. This is watch. Kasi I don't know why, I feel like sometimes when I'm wearing it, it looks overwhelming. So see, as you can see, my necklace, I have like heart, I have like a heart pendant with diamond inside and a dragonfly in other side, and so that's the pieces I have that I wear. I even wear this to sleep. So it's easier. That's I wear them. That's it. At hindi ko tinatanggal yan siya. So I also have a watch here. See. Okay. We'd have like diamond accent around it, so which is really cool. But as I said, I don't even remember. I think I wear this once. Pwede mong itatakin lang siya because the thing is a little bit bigger, so that's why I don't wear it, I think. But I like it. I like how it looks, the inside, stuff like that. But as I said, it's a little bit, I didn't have a chance to get it precise. So, and then I also have this piece of jewelry. This is kind of unique because there is a coin. See, you know the coin, US coin, a gold coin right here. See. And this piece, I don't know, I don't remember wearing it. That thing also is, it's like if you got it hide in your jewelry box, literally, hindi mo ginagamit. I don't know why. So maybe I will start using them. So that's, and this is a little bit like a yellow gold. Simple. But the design, I really like the design. I am more on the how it looks. Design, uniqueness of it. So this is like arrow, like where are you going? I'm going there. So they have, these pieces has design on them. They have different kind of design. Like this one. This is a necklace, so we're not showing that yet. And this, see? Very cool. Where you can see it like that. It's so unique. I got this in one of those antique store, jewelry shop. I love it. I just love the whole look. And actually those are Chinese design, work accent on it. I don't know how that, what that meant, but yeah. So it looks, so you look at that, you know. Mostly of my jewelry, they are not commonly designed. So I'm more on the unique one na para bang wala tayong kapareha. Para hindi wala mag-aaway kagaya ni Heart Evangelista at saka si Pia Wurtzbach. Whatever. I don't really care. So look at this piece also. So this is more like Indian gold, Singapore gold. Hindi ko lang sabihin kung magkano. We're not here to the price, but you know, just wanted to share you my pieces. So look at that. So this one, I have a necklace that goes with it too. And look at this bangle. Oops, I dropped one. Look at this bangle. It's so cool. So look at the accent on this bangle. There's diamond accent. Diamante around it. So simple. I am more like not a flashy kind. So that's very simple. Kukunin na natin. Tanggalin nga natin ito. Tanggalin natin yung watch. So, and then this is, see? It looks simple, right? But then looks so pretty. It's so pretty. Like there's, you know, I do not know if you can see the design on it. That's the lock right there. I love it. And this one has opal on it. Opal. And also has a design. Look at closer. It's kind of like now. You can wear it with what piece of dress you wear. I am more like if kind of magsuot ng mga damit. I want to be unique, kind of unique, my own style, you know, my personal style. So this is just a simple one with, of course, mayroon ano din siya, design. Okay, so those are one of my product or bracelet. I am more bracelet, the gold kind that I'm gonna show it to you. And then here's the other one. I also have necklaces. So the necklaces that I have, this is more on a yellow gold kind of thing. This is not the one that has a match on it. There's a hair, so that means I wore them before. But look at the design. If you don't like the design, it's okay for me, but I like the design. This is like one of those long string kind of thing. Pwede mo siyang doblehin. But as I said, there's a design on it. All the time. Accent design. Pwede mo siyang doblehin. Whatever you want. Like that. See? At sa kanilang, may pendant siya na prayer. See, look at that prayer pendant. Prayer. And then I have a lot of pieces. This is like antique kind. I just love the whole thing, you know. Look at the antique. It's kind of pretty heavy though. It's heavy. Hindi ko pinaano yan. And this is one of my favorite. I wear this when I'm wearing like gown, dresses, If I wear this piece, I don't wear anything else. Walang bracelet, walang necklace. Kasi it's already kind of big. See? This is American jewelry. It's right there. Dito yung tag. Hindi ko na lang sabihin kung ano yung nakalagay sa tag kasi I'm not advertising it. So, in this necklace is unique. See? Gold necklace. There's diamonds. Matapos na tayo. And another one. And another one. The simple one. That's all. Those are my gold pieces that I share with you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.